you want to learn more experiments that take us on the little answer Meshnee girl? Uh-oh.
The science of today's experiment. Egg and salt, density experiment. All objects have density, and the density of an object determine if the object will sink or float in the water. Initially, egg will sink in water as water less dense than the egg. Following addition of salt, further increase the density of the water, allowing the floating of the egg.
Hi everybody! Today we are going to do an experiment. The name is density experiment.
Oh, density experiment.
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, what are you going to do? What do you need?
We need eggs,
Okay.
and glasses of water, but 2 glasses of water. Stick, salt,
Okay, you need 2 eggs, 2 glass of water, and salt, right?
yes.
Okay, I'm so excited.
I'm going to put the egg inside the water. It's sink. Now I'm going to make the egg float, tissue.
You want to make the egg float?
Yeah.
How are you going to do it?
So the first one we didn't add salt, right?
Yes.
So the second one I will add salt.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes. How many spoons you adding?
So let's put 1, 2, 3, 4. Now have to mix. Do you see the egg floats? Let's see if it float or not. Yeah, it's floating. I told you.
So when you add the salt, the egg can float?
Yeah, the egg is floating now. Do you know why, tissue?
Let me think. Okay, I
Suppose
think I
so.
know the answer.
What's the
Okay, the
answer?
first glass, there's no salt. The egg is more density or heavier than the water. That's why it sink. But in the second glass, when you add the salt, the water have more density than the egg. That's why the egg is floating. And right, Meshnee?
Yes, it's right.
So when you add the salt, the water become more dense.
You're right.
Okay.
See you next time, you guys. Do you want to play like me like this and do this experiment with me? Oh, and subscribe my channel, like my video, press the bell notification, and share my videos. It's just right here. Press the button now. Oh, and welcome to Meshnee channels. Bye.